Welcome children to the fourth part of chapter number 4, Structure of Ocean Flow. As I was talking to you about the sedimentary rock. What are sedimentary rock? The sedimentary rocks are formed due to deposition of layer. Layer means one layer, again there is a topping of other layer, and these keep on taking place with the help of pebbles, fossils, clay, these layers and layers, and so due to the pressure of the seawater, sedimentary rocks are found. And this is one of the most important point. Besides, some human-induced material is also found here. What are human-induced material? Which human being dumped the garbage. As you know, this includes sewage, solid waste, radioactive material, waste chemical, plastics, etc. These waste proves hazardous. Hazardous means very dangerous to the hydrosphere, to the water body. As even you all have seen, the sewage which moves around, in and around. Where is the dumping point? There is no separate dumping point. They are dumped into the ocean or the sea which is nearby. What it does? It pollutes the hydrosphere. It pollutes whatever water bodies are there, because there are solid waste. Radioactive means the material which are electronic material, waste, chemical inducing from the industries, and of course plastic. They are very dangerous for the hydrosphere. These materials are extremely harmful, not only for the water bodies, for the environment also. Though the polluting components are less, their nuisance value is more. As you know, their nuisance values more. Whatever is the percentage of the deposition, but it is very dangerous for the environment. Okay, children? So always remember, there is a mean sea level. You'll get a paragraph during exam. See, highest and deepest. Elevation means height or depth. When elevation, as you move up or down of any place, is measured from the sea level. As you always say, how much height is there above the sea level? Always you have these type of questions. The average of the highest high tide and the lowest low tides is considered as sea level. We always mark as sea level. The average is taken to be 0, and altitude or depth are measured as is shown in the diagram out here. See, there is a Mount Everest, and how much height it is there below the above the sea level. See, the sea level is given 0, and above the 0, what is the height of Mount Everest? It's 8,848 meters above the sea level. But when you move down the marina trenches, it is 11,034 meters. That is a minus sign. For example, Mount Everest is, the height is 8,848 meters high, and marina trenches minus means deep down the ocean, which is minus 11,034 meters. For survey purpose in India, the height of sea level at Chennai is considered to be 0. The area of Chennai is considered to be 0, and the elevation means height above the sea level is measured with this reference, which is known as mean sea level. As I'll tell you, children, page number 27, please cross it out. Give it a try. Always remember, use your brain power. And do you know, it has been excluded. मतलब government ने ये part, ये page हटा दिया है. This is not going to come for your exam, only for this year. So you can mark page number 27. Take a pencil and put a cross. And even to page number 28, put a cross. Why put a cross? Because this is not going to come for your examination. Okay? And in page number 28, question number 2 has even excluded, which is a part of your activity work. You can see your textbook and you can do it in your map and diagram book. Okay, children? And question number 4, this has been cut off as a part from the government bodies. I'll be following it with the notes in PDF. And what important is here, that you have to read your textbook. Reading of the textbook is very, very important. And you will have a paragraph. Here there is no question answer. You don't have about short notes, but we may give you short notes as a part of homework. What is continental slope? What is abyssal plain? What is known as marine deposition? Okay, we may give this type. What is mean sea level? And how human being induce materials in the hydrosphere. These types of questions can be put up to you as a part of paragraph or short notes. Is it, children? Thank you, children, for your cooperation. Please read the question answers and be ready. Okay, all the chapter of first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, and finally this fourth chapter. Be ready with your work. Okay, thank you, children.